Life is unpredictable. An illness or injury could happen to anyone at any time. What if you couldn't work due to a disability? How would you pay your bills and support your family? That's where disability insurance comes in. Group disability insurance provides a safety net, replacing a portion of your income if you become disabled and can't work. It offers peace of mind, financial security, and allows you to focus on your recovery. Employees choose a maximum monthly benefit amount that meets their needs. Then, if they are faced with a period of sickness or off-the-job injury and cannot work, they'll receive cash benefits to spend as they see fit. Here's an example of how it works. Greg is a hard worker and is very active outside of his workplace. He considers himself healthy and is still relatively young. Greg is injured while replacing shingles on his roof. He's unable to work and is scheduled for surgery to repair a herniated disc. With 4 weeks of recovery, Greg will miss several paychecks. He files a disability claim and receives monthly benefits until he can return to work. Now, Greg doesn't have to worry about having the money for his medical deductible and daily living expenses. Don't let a disability derail your life. Thank you for taking a couple of minutes to better understand disability insurance as a way to protect your income and protect your future. Thanks for watching.